Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. It's a wonderful day today and basically evening right now in India. I just wanted to talk about Bitcoin and Apple stock for today, but I'm going to talk about Apple stock in the later video. So right now, if you have seen Bitcoin, I made a huge profit, and I've done my goal for this week. Basically I've crossed 50,000 US dollars and my current equity is basically 55k, and it's basically going up right now. Bitcoin is showing a bearish signal, which you can see with this bearish engulfing candle right over here, and I'm making over $100 in profit right now. I think Bitcoin will be going even more low, basically giving more bearish results and basically bearish momentum, right? So basically profit for me, and I think I'll take profits. I'm not going to keep it a huge take profit, but I'm going to keep it around maybe 1.8k like that. Let me just edit it right over there. I'm going to modify my order, take profit, 4.21, and not going to take huge amount, 1.8k, so yeah, and I made a huge profits, right over here. I just made 2 losses for the week and basically for this month, and I've made a huge profits, especially during the night time in India. Bitcoin market was going short, basically when the market was going collapsing. That time I made huge profits, and yeah, right now I'm basically getting a loss right now. Let me show you guys. So basically I told that Bitcoin would be, like I forecasted, Bitcoin would be going short right over here, and Bitcoin went, like it showed a major downtrend right over there. And Bollinger Bands, right, when you see, they showed contractions, which indicate a big movement, like they are circled right over here, So if you can see right over here, it's the bare minimum, requirements, but I'll make profits over here because this is basically swing trading. I'm basically doing it on the short term basis, and because Bitcoin showed a bearish engulfing candle, which means that there are more sellers at the moment right now, basically bearish momentum or selling momentum. So this indicated that I should sell, right? And I'm going to decrease, and actually I made a profit. That's actually quite great, guys. So Bitcoin, just let me show you. Let me just connect my account for a second, and sorry, just give me a minute. So I'm losing 1k. Never mind. Yes, trading does play with your emotions, that's literally it's fair because you're investing your money, right? And right now I'm still going bearish, I know that I will get about like 1,000 profits, and I do expect Bitcoin to go down because it's showing a bearish engulfing candle, which means that Bitcoin has more selling momentum or bearish momentum, right? And I've basically gone short right now, So since this is scalp trading, and you can see right over here Bitcoin is going, and I just made 1.8k in profits, So it's basically my equity is right now 56k, and I made 1.8k above in profits, which indicates that Bitcoin is going bearish right now, Once it hits the target level right over here, let me just show you guys. So once it hits this support level right over here, 26,266, or slightly above that, we can expect Bitcoin to go higher, basically bullish. So this is for scalp trading, not for investors, These are for short-term investors, basically for 2-3 days, 4 days, or 1 week, 4-hour basis, or hourly time basis, daily basis, So yeah, this was my update on Bitcoin, and yeah, I made a huge profit on Bitcoin, and I'm grateful to God for that, for learning my knowledge keys, the key results and analysis, etc. Without God, I don't think I'll be able to hear also. And then yeah, I'm learning. I know this is paper trading, I know, but it's based on real market data, and this does play with your emotions, because I started off at around 10k US dollars, and I lost like 7k, and I gained from there. I've reached 50k above, 50k plus, and I'm over here right now. So I'm grateful for God, and I'm grateful for my knowledge, You guys should be grateful for everything that you have in your life, and do not stop grinding, keep grinding, and do wait for my upcoming videos, These are really informative. So stay tuned and keep grinding, and peace out.